ever felt exhausted chasing your goals, but never quite reaching the finish line? You're not alone. The secret to conquering your goals doesn't lie in luck, but in discipline. Welcome to The Vector, where we'll share with you simple, yet incredibly effective strategies to help you maintain discipline and achieve any goal. Imagine being able to turn every dream into reality just by applying discipline principles to your daily life. Sounds enticing, right? Whether you're setting goals in work, study, or personal life, this video will provide you with the essential tools to build strong discipline and overcome any challenge. Part 1. Set clear and specific goals. Have you ever wondered why we set goals but never seem to reach them? You might be making a basic mistake: unclear goals. Setting vague goals is like boarding a train without knowing the destination. You can only go around in circles. Imagine you want to travel. You can't just say, "I want to go somewhere beautiful," and expect to end up there, right? Instead, you need to say, "I will go to Paris in May next year and visit the Eiffel Tower." Instantly, everything becomes more concrete, and you know what you need to do to prepare. So, how do you set specific goals? First, write them down. Like making a shopping list, it helps you remember everything you need when you go to the supermarket. The same goes for setting goals. Writing them down ensures you don't miss important details. Second, break down big goals into smaller steps. Don't try to eat an entire pizza at once, but enjoy it slice by slice. This not only helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed, but also creates motivation as you complete each step. Finally, attach a deadline to each goal. Time is our companion, but also our enemy if not managed well. Setting deadlines helps you stay motivated and keeps you on the right track. Now, we have a clear roadmap for setting goals. Remember, an unclear goal is like a painting without lines. You can't see the picture clearly. Next, get ready for the next part, where we'll learn how to plan and create habits to turn those goals into reality. Let's keep going. Part 2. Plan and build habits. We have clear and specific goals. Now, how do we turn those goals from lines on paper into reality? The answer is, create a detailed plan and build good habits. Think of it as planning the perfect birthday party. You need to know you'll need cakes, balloons, and maybe some fireworks. Planning is an art that requires refinement. Don't just write a long list like a restaurant menu. Start by listing what needs to be done. Prioritize the most important tasks and identify specific steps to take. You can't go from A to Z without passing through the letters in between. And the key is to schedule each task. Place them in your calendar like you never forget a doctor's appointment. Turn tasks into appointments with yourself that you cannot miss. But don't stop there. When you have a plan, build habits to maintain it. Start with small changes, like adding more greens to your diet daily. You don't have to eat the entire garden, just start with a leaf. Try the 21-day habit challenge. Perform an action consistently for 21 days to make it a natural part of your life. It sounds simple, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. With a detailed plan and good habits, you've laid a solid foundation to conquer any goal. And remember, habits are the bridge that leads you from intention to action. Now let's move on to the next part, where we'll explore how to beat procrastination and maintain motivation. Part 3. Beat procrastination and maintain motivation. We've talked about clear goals and planning, but there's a major obstacle on our path to conquering our goals: procrastination. Yes, it's the arch enemy of every successful effort. Have you ever found yourself procrastinating by endlessly scrolling through the internet or binge-watching seasons of a series. Don't worry, we've all been there. But now, it's time to beat this enemy and take control of our time. One of the most effective ways to overcome procrastination is to start with small tasks. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start by completing the easiest tasks. Small successes will create great motivation for you. Set work and rest intervals appropriately, like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work and 5 minutes of break. This not only boosts productivity, but also prevents burnout. And remember to reward yourself when you complete tasks. It could be a piece of cake, an episode of your favorite show, or simply 10 minutes of relaxation. Small rewards help you maintain motivation and make tasks more enjoyable. To keep motivated, remember why you started. Create a vision board or write down those reasons where you can easily see them. This keeps your goals in sight and prevents you from getting lost. And finally, remember, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but from what you do consistently. Let motivation and discipline be your companions on the road to achieving your goals. Life is a journey full of challenges and opportunities. Every day, we have the chance to turn dreams into reality. Remember, no goal is too big if you have persistence and discipline. Confidently step forward on the path you've chosen because you've equipped yourself with powerful strategies to conquer anything you desire. No matter how difficult it gets, never stop moving forward. Let yourself be a testament to the saying, discipline is the key to unlocking the door to success. Thank you for watching this video from The Vector. If you feel inspired and want to share this determination, hit like, subscribe, and share with your loved ones. We'll always be here, accompanying you on your journey to success. See you in the next videos, where we'll explore more strategies to overcome challenges and reach new heights. Remember, you can always do more than you imagine.